today's digital age, social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. With billions of users across various platforms, social media offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach potential customers. However, utilizing social media effectively for marketing your business requires a well-planned strategy and a deep understanding of the platforms and your audience. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the key steps and strategies to harness the power of social media for your business. Before diving into the world of social media marketing, it's essential to define your goals and objectives. What do you hope to achieve through social media? Common objectives include increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, and boosting sales. By setting clear goals, you can tailor your social media strategy to align with your business objectives. Understanding your target audience is fundamental to successful social media marketing. Research and create detailed buyer personas to identify the demographics, interests, pain points, and online behavior of your ideal customers. This knowledge will help you create content that resonates with your audience and craft effective advertising campaigns. There are numerous social media platforms available, each with its unique features and user demographics. To make the most of your social media efforts, select the platforms that align with your target audience and business goals. Facebook. With over 2 billion monthly active users, Facebook is a versatile platform suitable for various business types. Instagram. Known for its visual content, Instagram is ideal for businesses in fashion, beauty, travel, and other visually appealing industries. Twitter. A platform for real-time updates and engagement, Twitter is great for sharing news, announcements, and participating in conversations. LinkedIn. Primarily a platform for professionals, LinkedIn is perfect for B2B businesses and networking. Pinterest. Ideal for businesses with visually appealing products or services, Pinterest is a visual discovery platform. YouTube. If your content is video-centric, YouTube is the go-to platform for creating and sharing videos. Content is at the heart of social media marketing. Create a content calendar outlining the type of content you'll share and the posting schedule. Content should be diverse and engaging, including posts, images, videos, and stories. Tailor your content to the preferences of each platform and keep it consistent with your brand's voice and identity. Social media is a two-way street. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. Encourage conversations and build relationships with your followers. Genuine interactions can foster trust and loyalty, leading to brand advocates who help spread the word about your business. Visual content, such as images and videos, tends to perform exceptionally well on social media. Invest in high-quality visuals that showcase your products or services effectively. Use storytelling to connect with your audience on a personal level, and consider using user-generated content to build trust and authenticity. Hashtags can expand the reach of your posts by making them discoverable to users interested in similar topics. Research relevant and trending hashtags within your niche and incorporate them into your posts. However, avoid overusing hashtags, as it can appear spammy. Most social media platforms offer robust advertising options to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Paid advertising can amplify your reach and help you achieve your marketing objectives. Set a budget, define your target audience, and create compelling ad creatives to maximize the effectiveness of your campaigns. Regularly monitor the performance of your social media efforts using analytics tools provided by the platforms or third-party analytics software. Track key metrics like engagement rate, click-through rate, conversion rate, and follower growth. Analyze the data to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Social media is a dynamic environment, and what works today may not work tomorrow. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content, posting times, and strategies. Be open to adapting your approach based on the evolving landscape and your audience's changing preferences. Rather than focusing solely on promotional content, strive to provide value to your audience. Share informative articles, tips, and educational content related to your industry. Establishing your brand as a trusted source of information can help build credibility and authority. Collaborating with influencers, other businesses, or industry leaders can expand your reach and introduce your brand to new audiences. Partnering with others can be mutually beneficial and create opportunities for cross-promotion. Your brand's online reputation is essential. Keep an eye on reviews, comments, and mentions across social media platforms. Address negative feedback promptly and professionally to maintain a positive image. Building a strong presence on social media takes time. Be consistent in your efforts and maintain a regular posting schedule. Understand that results may not be immediate, but with dedication and patience, you can achieve your goals. The social media landscape is continually evolving. Stay up to date with the latest trends, algorithm changes, and best practices in social media marketing. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and participate in relevant online communities to stay informed. In conclusion, social media marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience, promote their products or services, and achieve their marketing objectives. By defining clear goals, understanding your audience, and implementing a well-thought-out strategy, you can harness the full potential of social media to grow your business and stay ahead in the digital age. Remember that effective social media marketing requires ongoing effort, adaptability, and a commitment to providing value to your audience. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more exciting content in the future.